having to eat. It's miserable. Miserable. Trying to figure out what fucking food to eat. And to even have the stupid idea that the vegetables you're eating are somehow better. Somehow white people attacked every form of GMO meat. There's a video going around where you see Chinese people inventing cabbage. Nigga, they take some green fluid and then some white fluid, heat it up or cool it off and mix it, then ruffle that shit into fucking a vegetable fucking head of cabbage or some shit. Cut it up, garnish it, and put some fucking fake crab legs on that shit. And you niggas, all they gotta do is fry it in some fucking dough. And you niggas is thinking you doing it up. You think these vegetables are real? You think vegetables are the key to enlightenment? Ooh, how misinformed are you? You're not gonna get out of here through food or sustain yourself through food. I'm doing energy work. The fact that you have to do energy work, nigga, makes you a slave. You shouldn't have to do nothing. You can eat off your own mind. Not here, because you gotta maintain the body, but that's how it's done. But if your mind is so humanized, when you die, you don't know where to go but back here. You don't realize, see, my mentality of I don't need to initiate, my mentality of I'm not praying to any of these deities, I'm not submitting to the will or system of any of these deities. When I die, what is telling me is my mind is already made up that I am equal and can have anything they have. If I'm submitting to them, all I'm saying is I'm just a lowly human being. And if I'm a lowly human being, when I die and have the opportunity going through death or Darth or the gateway to get out of here, when I have the opportunity, because my mentality has always been to serve something or think it's higher than me, I go back to my slave position. That's what this is here. I'm breaking the chains of slavery by saying, no, I don't submit to Oshun, I don't submit to Yah, Jah, to Allah, to Shiva, to none of them. I am them. So when I die, I have a master mentality, a boss mentality. I put myself in a position to create my own reality universe and sit and feed off of my own thoughts that I create, the own universe that I create. I want for nothing and need nothing. But if I think Oshun is coming to save me because I combed this bitch hair one time, cosmically, what do you think that means? That's where you fail. That's where you get eaten up. You have all these hopes and expectations for something to save you that's not coming. Your heart is not lighter than a feather. My heart is lighter than a feather because there's nothing outside of me that happened that can weigh it. And I don't have the weight of my own ignorance, my own insecurity, praying and bowing down and putting on clothes and sniffing around, hoping somebody feeling I may have did something good because I got some pussy, so Oshun is shining on me because I got some pussy. Shit I get anyway. Pussy Christians get. So why is Oshun giving you pussy? Every girl with a fat ass, I'm Oshun. This dumb mentality, following dumb shit, your mind doesn't change when you die. You need to understand now. You need to think like a chief, a boss. So when you get out this motherfucker, you at least at the gateway of understanding you run this, that nothing's gonna come in death and say, see, you didn't act right. You didn't initiate. Where the cuts at, nigga? You prayed well, nigga. You gave me the right amount of water. the right amount of water. So now you come in heaven. You think something's saying that? You think that's gonna happen? That something's gonna come and rescue you for being a good nigga down here? No, you've been a dumb nigga down here, and you're gonna get exactly what you deserve. Flunkyism. Because you don't know how to operate with your thoughts in this realm. You're gonna go back to what you know, like a good slave. And wake up in a human body crying, with your mind saying, fuck, I'm back. And you're gonna see your mind slowly slip away as your ego starts to take over and you become this baby who's getting your hand spanked. Going to bed when you don't wanna go to bed, crying all the fucking time, but you're hungry. Eventually saying, I can't hold on to this, Mom, and become whatever new thing you are. Kishana. Now you Kishana. Demarcus. All these dumbass names. And you become that. And let's say you become conscious again. Now you have the choice to become that flunky, or maybe you might retain something that says, nah, not this time. That's who you're talking to. And that's who I'm trying to talk to. The ones who said, nah, not this time. I'm not falling for it. This shit is about knowledge of self. It is only me that can save me through the Daf, through the gateway. And I can't go through there with a servant mentality. You understand? Because let's wipe all this bullshit away. You're a servant. And you have a servant mentality. So when you die as a servant, you're hoping that which you serve comes to rescue you. It don't happen like that. It's only you. It's all you. And if your mind ain't ready, you're asking for a round trip ticket in the same sphere that you just left. Oh, no tep, nigga. No tep. Like I said, this message is not for everybody. Some may even take offense. If you take offense, I'm sorry. But it's not for you. You shouldn't be listening to this if it offends you. Because it's not for you. This message is not for you. And if you can hear it, this is exactly for you. That's called being on the frequency. And that's what you need. The eternal you is that which is forever, is which that which knows. To harness it here is how you get information to prepare yourself through that gateway. That's how I can know this. I'm prepared for that gateway. I'm prepared to move on. So all you niggas who ask how you die and never come back, you just got a bunch of information on the mentality you need to start adapting for yourself. And I only say, again, adapt the mentality because the intricacies are yours and yours alone. So I'm not telling you to be like me. I'm saying be like you, but be like you as the knower, not be as you like the servant or the flunky. Flunkies don't make it out. Servants don't make it out. Prayers don't make it out. Prayers are guaranteed the mentality for a round trip. Religion controls the world physically, but ultimately, cosmically, it locks down the mind, and that's really more valuable to that which truly rules you. To white people, they just get to take advantage because they have nothing else. So this is everything. This is their end game. Everything on earth. They try to give you bullshit spirituality through shit like Deepak Chopra and the rest of these clowns. You know what I mean? Love everybody. No, have no hate in your heart. No, you should hate injustice. You should hate imbalance. You should hate a genocide. You know, all these things which are happening to you. But in a bigger picture, if you are recycled back, there's no harm, no foul to the creator or that demiurge. You'll just be coming right back. It'll be feeding again off of the new apparatus. Dead niggas, alive niggas only hurt the economy or help the economy, whichever thing is going on. But in the end, cosmically, you're going nowhere. So death means nothing. Death only means something if you're conscious, because it's the opportunity to leave and never come back. But you need to cultivate the mentality for your ride out of here. You need to cultivate the mentality for your ride out of here. You can't cultivate it as a servant. Initiate is another way of saying, I'm here to serve you. Now, initiation in general is not that, because you're being initiated right now by me telling you these things, revealing some of the things that came through spiritually. You're being initiated right now. So just saying initiation ain't it, but doing old Orisha initiations or old Yoruba initiations created by the psyche of that people for that time, for that situation, becomes just another way of saying, I submit. Cutting you for a Palo ritual, who's eating off of your blood? You're saying, I'm offering myself to you. Here you go. That's all you're doing. Because it's not like cutting you all over your body somehow brings you into a spiritual place of before and after, in terms of something looking at you saying, now you're spiritual because you cut yourself. No, you're saying, I'm feeding you. I'm coming to you this way. See, I didn't come to the Palos that way. I came as a peer. You think those 11 Meome Palo deities are the only Palos in existence? Some of them are down here. Hello, nice to meet you, niggas. I don't initiate with my brothers. They my brothers. You need to wake up to this shit for real. This is the real. I ain't making this shit up. This is the real. All them niggas waiting. Parents fucking with the Palos. Watch something happen. Ain't nothing happen. Ain't nothing been happening but good shit. Good shit, the good. I live deliciously as a side effect of prosperity, because my goal ultimately is to harness that which is the true value in a nigga.